코코넛 오일 만들기 체험하러 왔는데 진짜 택시 기사님이 진짜 관광지를 한 100곳을 추천했어 나한테. 나 미치겠어 지금. 거길 내가 가면 자기가 뭘 봤나 봐. 그래서 미치겠어. 내가 노라고 100번 말했거든요. 근데 계속 다른 게 나와. 이거 싫어? 그럼 이거. 이거 싫어? 이거 그러면. 헬로. 갑자기 차를 줘서 차를 먹고 있어요. 누룽지래요. 차에서 너무 영업을 하셔가지고 나 좀 시달렸는데 갈 때는 어떡하냐.
Have you used this one before? No, so this is the
First
first
time.
time. Okay, sorry, yeah. Then when you going to the temple or ah, uh, or when we help each other in the Bali myths, we must be use this. So like our culture.
Woman, man, same.
Yeah.
Woman, man, same.
A little bit different.
Different?
So for the woman will be like this, then for the man will be have like this, and then use this one. For the
Now.
for
men.
you, no. For the man. For the girl, just this and this one. So this is will be hold the sarong. Like this. Make it smaller
Oh.
and then push. Will be difficult.
Difficult. 왜 못하는 거야 나는?
She can do it for you, yeah.
No.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Okay. And this will be
What?
difficult for you because it's the
Difficult.
first time.
Yes.
Maybe do you need help
Yeah.
on it? Okay. Yes. And then now you can do it like this by your hand.
Better.
Yeah.
Easy.
Easy than before, yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Here. Wait a moment.
Oh.
Okay, so this is the first skin. And now this one. This is the harder one. Okay, already clean. Just feel when you met with someone and then just hit.
Just hit.
Yeah.
Again.
Okay, again.
Oh.
Ah,
Oh.
wait a moment.
Woo.
Now you can do it.
Finally.
Yeah. Here, this is the coconut. Yeah. First, we're gonna use this side and then doing like this. And now we use the other side. This one and just doing like this.
Oh.
Okay, more.
Oh. Good.
Yep.
All together? This one all
This
together.
one
아,
also.
이거는 내가 잘할 수 있지. 한국에서도 하잖아. 감자 같은 거.
This one. Just squeeze. So you can get the milk
Oh.
from coconut.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, this is coconut milk. Just put all the coconut in, yeah? Okay, what happened to your hand?
Okay, it's okay. Not a big deal.
Twist until coconut dry, yeah? And then the dry one you can put here.
You have many chicken.
Yeah, it's so many chicken rooster here. So not same like a chicken what you use for like KFC or McDonald's like that.
Oh,
So the meat of this chicken it will be more harder.
harder.
Yeah.
Oh.
And normally we use this chicken, the rooster, for the fighting chicken.
Fighting.
Yeah.
Not eat.
When they when we use for the fighting chicken,
Oh.
so one of that will be loose and will be die, and then we can eat that. Yeah. But that one we didn't use for the gambling. So
Gambling.
Not for the gambling.
Not for the gambling.
Yeah, coconut. Now we can squeeze this. We must be at this.
What
know
is
this?
this? No.
Let's guess. What is this? One
Ginger?
kind. Still family with the ginger, but not ginger. The name this one is turmeric. Yellow
Yeah.
ginger. Now I will show you about the Balinese compound house
Oh.
over there. Okay?
하우스.
Yeah.
오케이. 나름 코스가 짱짱하네. 이렇게 내가 쉴 틈이 없네. 집이 좀 사나 봐. 집이 엄청 커.
Outside. And we use that one for the daily offering. But because this one is hidden heart, so after wisdom.
어.
Then here, I'm gonna see the good things. We have a bigger family.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very very big house.
Yeah. So here we live with the three family.
Three family.
Yeah. But two families stay here,
Oh.
and one family stay in the city.
어.
Because they work in the hospital.
Ah.
Yeah. But when we have the ceremony here, so they will become.
어.
One is Bali Dangin. Then
의사
after
집안이네.
that,
All house have temple.
have the temple for the family temple.
오.
We going to the backyard over there. We're gonna be feeding the animal also.
Animal.
We're gonna give this to the chicken.
오.
Okay, you're gonna
Okay.
hold this. This is our backyard. Yeah, we have a small garden here, and that is
Big garden. Very big garden.
yeah?
Yes. Passion fruit?
Yeah,
huh?
will be become yellow, and then the other it's look orange.
Orange.
Yeah,
오.
and the
친절하시네.
sweet one is the orange one.
파인애플 이렇게 생겼다니 처음 알았어. 나무가 이렇게 작구나. 정원이 엄청 큰데 자꾸 자기네 정원 작다 그러는데 겸손하시네.
Chicken will be used for the fighting chicken.
오.
For the female, it just used to make it egg.
egg.
Make
오.
it egg, and then make it more baby.
Baby. 오.
Hold this.
오케이.
Careful your step.
어떻게. 크로스. 어떡해. 나 조류. 나 조류 그거 있잖아. 나 조류 공포증 있잖아. 여기 완전 닭장이야. 어떡해.
So many, yeah?
Yes.
Like this. This one will be
제가 조류 공포증이 있거든요. 막 엄청 먹어 지금. 어머. 어떡해. 나 저기 들어가야 돼? 어떡해. 나 안내해 주는데 지금 닭 엄청 많아. 이 사람 엄청 부자네. 오.
You wanna try to give?
Yes.
Be careful with your hand, yeah?
오케이.
Okay, now you can put there.
오케이.
It's okay. Yeah, just put there. Yeah, this one will be used for the fighting chicken.
파이팅 치킨.
Yeah. And then sometimes we can sell also.
오. Sell.
Yeah, to the who love the chicken like
Ah.
this. And it will be so expensive.
Expensive.
It will be more expensive than the normal chicken. Going back to your
Yeah.
point, yeah? I think it's almost ready.
Yes.
Thank you. Now we go. Oh, yes. So good with this one. Okay, just still a little bit in the corner, yeah? Wait a moment. Doing like this, little bit in the corner. Yeah.
완성. 이거 머리에도 쓰고 몸에도 쓰고 하래요. 엄청 뜨거워. 지금 만들어서. 나름 가성비 괜찮은 투어인데 어차피 이거 코코넛 오일 한 병 주니까. 오케이. 땡큐. 기사님이 한 100곳 추천하셔가지고 그 중에 그냥 제일 시간 들 쓰는 게 식당 같아서 식당 내려달라고 했어요. 그냥 기분 좋게 샐러드 먹고 가려고요. 약간 딱 오브 정글뷰? 망고 샐러드인데 망고 어딨어? 이거 보세요. 이게 다예요. 망고 샐러드인데 의외로 맛은 있을 수도 있어. 없어. 아, 입에 넣고 싶지 않아. 아니, 갑자기 길이 차가 못 가는 길이라면서 이런 데다 내버려두고 그냥 감? 미친 거 아니야? 어떻게 봐도 도보로 걸을 길이 아니잖아 지금. 걸어다니는 사람 나밖에 없잖아 지금. 황당한 날이다. 뭐 어떻게 걸어서 가야지 20분. 열심히 걸어 가봐야지 뭐 어떡해. 가서 마시는 커피를 마셔야겠어요. 이제 기분이 이게 뭐야? 지금 야마도라 가지고 숙소 앞에 브런치 다시 먹으러 왔어요. 어떻게 나를 그렇게 길바닥에 내려놓을 수가 있어? 심지어 다른 차들 다니던데? 일단 커피부터 먹어. 이제야 요리다운 요리를 먹네. 심지어 아까 그 망고 샐러드랑 가격도 비슷함. 미친 거 아니야? 기분이 좀 풀렸어요. 근데 인도네시아는 왜 이렇게 다 커피를 조금 주는지 모르겠어요. 약간 메가 커피처럼 양 많은 거 없나?